this will be, so if else. So we're using the else statement if it's not a keyword. If it's not a keyword, then we are going with the else statement. That means everything else. So if that is the case, what we're going to do is we want to do templates. All right, so let's check out what's coming in. What are the texts and what are we seeing? Okay, so we have user ID, integer. Actually, sorry. So we have user ID and integer, ID and integer, title, string, body, string, blah blah blah. And we have the final one. We have this particular ending curly brackets, but we don't want this. Ignore the undefined. We will fix that. We don't want this to come in, so we simply just going to do this. Okay, so now we know the structure of the data that's coming in here, which is an array of strings where the first word will be the key and the second will be the value. Okay, so let's do that. So we want to break the text down. So the value type is this integer, string, blah blah blah, and all that. Okay, good. So next, so we want to translate this structure that we have here into TypeScript. And since we are using type, so we want it to be a, let's say, key colon then value, then want to end it with a semicolon. So we want to get this where value will be the, in this case it will be number or string or boolean. If we are dealing with booleans or anything like that, that's basically it. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's have a mapping where we can translate this primitives, let's call them primitives, into these structures that we have here. So if we do that, we have user ID, which is a number, ID, which ID number, type, the title, which is a string, and body, which is also a string. So we've translated this structure into the type. And if we check this generated file, you can see that TypeScript or VS Code properly infers it for us beautifully. That is very great. Awesome. Let's get rid of that. So we can even add more types on these primitives. Okay, good. That's pretty good. All right.